Yo.
Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First, crack 2 eggs in a bowl and whisk. Then, add your milk. And sugar. Also, mix in your cinnamon. Then, pour in a few drops of vanilla extract. Add a pinch of salt, and mix everything together. After mixing, ready a hot pan, and spread some butter. Quickly soak your bread in the mixture, and add it to the pan. Repeat until all your bread are done. Your bread should look like this. Once it does, spread your ube jam on top of it. Then add grated cheese. We also added strawberry syrup, but you can add maple syrup or honey as well. This step is optional.
Yum, so delicious. Thanks for watching.